Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to the first video of 2020, and as always, it's an epic one. The first teaser look of the Concept One phone from OnePlus is here, and it's something that we have not seen on a smartphone before. It's not the foldable design, it's something that is entirely different. So the Concept One is a device with a disappearing design. Basically, the cameras on the back can disappear. This is achieved via the use of electrochromic glass, and the result is astonishing. The camera lenses will only appear when you're using the camera app, and as soon as you close it, the cameras will disappear within seconds. Imagine a phone with no visible back cameras in 2020. How clean of a design that will be, especially now with phones with crazy camera looks on the back. It's actually made in collaboration with McLaren. It's the same glass used in one of the high-end cars, so this is a pretty high quality tech. As for the actual cameras, they are pretty much the same as the OnePlus 7T Pro, same specs, but the difference is the use of electrochromic glass. This special glass allows the cameras to be completely hidden and only appear when you need them. It's very interesting, but more importantly, if this can be implemented on the front camera of the phone, that will be really amazing. Of course, we don't know that because the front of the phone is different from the back. There's a whole high quality, high refresh rate OLED panel sitting as well. Right now, there are only few Concept One OnePlus devices that will be showcased at CES 2020, which is happening on 7th January. Now, what OnePlus will actually be bringing on the market is very different from this concept, and that is the OnePlus 8 lineup. OnePlus is expanding its lineup. This time, we're going to see 3 OnePlus 8 devices: OnePlus 8, OnePlus 8 Pro, and OnePlus 8 Lite. Yes, every year OnePlus devices are getting expensive, so that is leaving a room for a cheaper budget version of a OnePlus device, and that's where the OnePlus 8 Lite will come into play. According to the latest leaks, the OnePlus 8 Lite will have a very similar design to the Galaxy A51. It's gonna have a punch hole towards the middle, slightly thicker bezels, but the display will be 6.4 inches AMOLED and 90 Hz refresh rate. It's gonna be using the latest generation of the MediaTek chipset, dubbed as MediaTek 1000. It's not gonna be as powerful as Snapdragon 865, but it will be pretty powerful for a $400 device. It's rumored to rock triple cameras in the back as well. Moving up from the Lite model, we have the OnePlus 8, which is going to be using a hole punch design. It's going to be similar to the Galaxy S10, which shows that Samsung was right, and it also shows that OnePlus is not confident entirely in the use of the pop-up camera setup, which is why with the new generation they are turning towards the punch hole look. So the 8 will have much slimmer bezels than the Lite model. It's going to have Snapdragon 865, a bigger battery, as well as a brand new 60 megapixel main camera lens, in addition to the ultra wide, telephoto, and macro lens. And then we're gonna have the super high-end OnePlus 8 Pro model with even larger 6.7-inch display, and for the first time, a 120Hz OLED display on a OnePlus phone. We'll see even bigger battery on that model. Again, all that information will come pretty soon. But yeah, OnePlus for 2020 is definitely packed. All 3 of these phones are looking really solid, especially the Lite model. I think it's gonna do really well in certain markets, especially Indian markets. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.